Hi, I'm Lily, and today I'm going to show you how to do the waterfall braid. You want to start with your hair parted, and then you want to take the front section and start to do a French braid. Once you have the French braid where you want it to be at its desired length, you want to drop the bottom piece right here and then right there, and then pick up the one slightly behind it at about the same thickness as the last piece was. And then you're gonna continue to French braid. I'm only picking up at the top, on the top strand. And then dropping the bottom piece and picking up the one behind it. Drop the bottom piece. Behind it. Ooh, sorry. Bottom piece. Pick up the one behind it. French braiding at the top. And then when you have your desired length, you can just, what I do is braid a little bit more so people can tell it's actually a braid. And then take a ponytail and finish it off. And you can bobby pin the ponytail back if you want. But this is the waterfall braid.